Hello treasures, let's make this plantain chips. I have green plantains there, that is unripe plantain, so we're going to be making plantain chips with it in our air fryer, so let's get started. I'll start by washing the plantains. I'm done washing the plantains, so the next thing we're going to do now is to peel them. I'm wearing gloves because I don't want the plantain juice or whatever that comes from it to stain my hand. So I'll be cutting it with this part. Let's slice the plantains. It's not difficult, just put it this way. If you don't have this or any plantain slicer, you can still use your knife. You can still use your knife and cut it tiny pieces. Just as tiny as possible. But I'm going to use my you can see these ones are tinier than this, so I prefer to use my grate. And here we have our plantain. We're done cutting the plantains, so before we fry it, I'm going to sprinkle it some salt and about a teaspoon or tablespoon of oil, depending on the quantity of the plantain you're making. Remember, we're not deep frying this, but we have to add some oil to it to make it shiny and crispy. To make it crispy anyway, so it will not be too dry like we are making plantain powder, like we're drying it. So I'll transfer it into a bigger bowl. I'll transfer it into another bowl or where all of them can contain at once. You can still sprinkle the oil here. So here, add some salt. Add salt to taste, to your own taste. I'm eating this, so I don't want too much of salt in it. Then I will also sprinkle it a little oil. The next thing, I'll transfer into the air fryer. So I'll transfer the plantain into an air fryer basket. I'll set it for 180 degrees for 10 minutes. Let's see how it will be at 10 minutes. So we'll see you after 10 minutes. Let's see how it will be after 10 minutes. It's my first time of trying this, in case you don't know. After 10 minutes, you need to turn it to we'll set it for another 10 minutes. Another 10 minutes. And here we have our air fried plantain cheese. So no one come out. It's so good. Ooh.
Can you hear that crispy sound? Mm, 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 Thanks so much for watching. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. Bye bye. Forgive me for talking with food in my mouth.